Okay, next topic, circles. Here, can you recall the word circle, center, radius, diameter, chord? So, what's the center? Here, circle is a geometrical figure consisting of all those points which are at equal distance from the fixed point. This fixed point is called center of the circle. Okay. What is the radius? Radius means constant distance from the center on the circle. Okay. From the center, mistake. The constant distance from center to any point on the circle, that is a radius. Okay, this is the center. You can draw like this, OA. This OA represent what? Radius. Okay, then denoted as R, small letter R. Here, this circle has infinite number of radius. Okay, this is another radius. OB is another radius. It's also R. Okay, OA and OP are equal in length. All the radii has equal length. Okay. Okay, next one, diameter. Diameter means what? AB is the diameter. This line segment passing through the center, having its endpoints on the circle. Okay, the circle has infinite number of diameter. Next one, chord. Chord means what? It's a line segment. Its endpoints lying on the circle. Okay, diameter is also a chord. This is the longest chord in the circle. Then here chord means what? These two endpoints on the circle, lying on the circle. Okay. Here infinite number of radii and infinite number of diameter also there. Okay. Here circle, a circle is a geometrical figure consisting of all those points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a point, called its center. Next one, radius. The constant distance from center to any point on the circle is called radius. There are infinite number of radii for a given circle and all are equal in length. Diameter. The diameter of a circle is any line segment passing through the center of the circle and having its end points on the circle. The length of the diameter is twice the radius. The length of the diameter is twice the radius of the circle. The circle has infinite number of diameters. Chord of a circle, a line segment with its endpoints lying on a circle, is called the chord of a circle. Diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is the longest chord. Next is circumference of a circle. What is the meaning of circumference of a circle? This is the perimeter of a circle. Okay, that means the distance around the circular object is called the circumference of a circle. Here, circumference of a circle is slightly more than 3 times its diameter. That means circumference divided by diameter equal to one constant value, that is pi. Okay, circumference divided by diameter. Its ratio always same in all the circles. Circumference divided by diameter is equal to pi. What is the value of pi? 3.14 or 22 by 7. Okay, here circumference divided by diameter. Circumference denoted as C, diameter D equal to pi. C equal to pi into D. C equal to pi into D. Diameter means what? Twice radius. That means 2 into R. C equal to 2 pi r. What is the formula to find the circumference of the circle? 2 into pi. Pi means what? 3.14 or 22 by 7. You can choose any value. Okay, 3.4 or 3.14 or 22 by 7. Okay, 2 into pi into r. Here where r is the radius. Okay, substitute in the value of pi and r, we will get what? Circumference of the circle. Circumference of a semicircle is equal to 2 pi r divided by 2. Here in one circle divided into 2 equal parts, that means semicircle. 2 semicircles you will get it. Okay, this length is equal to what? 2 pi r divided by 2 equal to pi r. Okay, next one, circumference of a semicircular shape including diameter. What is it? This length is equal to what? Pi r plus d. Okay, pi r plus d. D represent what? D is equal to twice radius, that means 2r. Then r is a common factor, take it outside, pi plus 2. Okay, next, area of a circle. What is the area? Area means the surface covered by a circular object is called its area. Formula, area equal to pi r square, where r is the radius. These two formula you should by heart it. Circumference is equal to what? 2 pi r. Next is circumference of a semicircular shape is equal to what? R into pi plus 2. What is the circumference of a semicircle? Pi r. Next, area of a circle? Pi r square.